Homeowner DIYers, still trying to figure out water treatment to prevent toxic water? Wondering if you can do it yourself, or do you need to hire someone? From my experience as a DIYer, I can tell you that unlike other projects, water treatment improvement is far more complex to protect your family's health because it's different for everyone, but you can still do it. My journey with water treatment was motivated by the following concerns. Safe, clean water is a fundamental right and a social issue, because water is now more toxic and polluted in industrialized countries than it was 30 years ago. You learn about water-related issues in headlines more frequently. Protesting in local government council chambers is simply not enough. Class action suits to hold polluters accountable get tied up in the court systems for decades. I needed to protect my family's health right now, so I decided to do it myself. But researching online for water treatment is so confusing. Which water tests should be used? Which system works best? What brands should I consider? And how much should I spend to solve this problem? Then in 2018, everything changed for me when I began working for a clinical grade water treatment builder. And it was there that I realized a few things. After implementing some key concepts, I figured out at home a unique method to provide layers of protection, like a security system for my home's incoming source water 24/7. In fact, not only did I enjoy non-toxic, safe, and healthy water at home, but my water quality performance rivals hospitals and stopped me from buying everyday bottled water. And I would love to share it with you because I want you to have a similar improved outcome to protect your family at home. I'll break it down for you with free online training. Click the link on or around this video to get information. See if it's something that you want to be part of, and hopefully, I'll see you there.